Hi, my name is Mar. I'm studying a higher degree in International Trade at the Joan XXIII School in Bonavista, and I'm here to show you part of the best experience of my life. My Erasmus in Lisboa, Portugal. Erasmus is excitement. Erasmus is freedom. Erasmus means change and, above all, learn what you like in a different way. I did my internship at Manusa, an automatic door company. Here, I was lucky enough to meet wonderful people who treated me like a daughter from minute zero and made my stay in Portugal even better. I learned about each and every one of the sectors and workers that this company has, and I know that it would not have been the same anywhere else. During these 2 months, I met and discovered incredible people, cultures and places that made me fall in love more and more every day. I had to overcome fears, challenges, and shames that I had inside. I became a totally independent person and got to know myself outside of my comfort zone. The life I have lived in Lisboa has been a dream, every minute, every moment. And every person has contributed to make this stay as incredible as it has turned out to be. But everything has an end, and I am very, very happy with everything this experience has given me. I return home renewed, being a totally different person. Thank you, Portugal, for making me so happy these 2 months. Obrigado, Portugal. Eu tenho saudade de você.